All right. Welcome back to Income Streams Unlimited. Today I'm excited to present to you a unique method where you will be able to make thousands of dollars per month using AdSense on your website. If you don't have a website, no worries. I'm going to teach you a free method. You don't even have to have a hosting account, buy domain names. You don't have to do all this, and you'll be able to make money, because right now AdSense is allowing people to have AdSense on their Blogger account. Blogger is simply a tool provided by Google to create a free blog. So you don't have to pay anything. All you have to do is to create an account at blogger.com. And now, as you can see, advertising on your blog. Now, all the steps are there. Sign up for AdSense and then sign in to Blogger. And I'm going to put the link to the process right there. But basically, you have to create a AdSense account. So AdSense, you create an account at Google Adsense, and then you create a blog at blogger.com, and then you follow these steps. Now, learn how to qualify for AdSense. Now, in order to qualify for AdSense, you will need good quality content. Okay, make sure your page is ready for AdSense. Okay, readability, alignment, functionality. Basically, what they are saying is that you have to have real content on your website. And basically, if you have 30 pieces of content on your website, you'll be eligible to have the ad displayed on your website. Now, you want to know how you will have your 30 pieces of content, and this is where the copy paste method come into play. All right, so now all you have to do is to go on a website. There's a lot of them, but here I'm on killerplrarticles.com, and you can select any categories. There's a ton of categories right there that you can choose from. For example, let's take acne PLR, for example. Okay, now there's a ton of articles right there that you can just copy and paste onto your website, onto your blogger.com. But now you have to sign up. It's free in order to see all the article. Now it's shortened right there because they want you to create an account in order to show you the complete article, but it's free. It's totally free. Don't worry. This method I'm teaching you right now is free. But if you watch this video till the end, I'm going to show you how you can do all I'm going to do on autopilot. So it means that you don't have to do nothing, just a quick 5-minute setup, and you'll be able to do all I'm going to do on complete autopilot. All right, so stick till the end of this video, and I'm even going to give you a special bonus if you comment below if you have learned something, and watch the tool name I'm going to give you for free in the comment below. Okay, I'm going to select within the comments someone, and I'm going to send you the bonus in your email. So now let's continue. Now, what you want to do in order to have your AdSense qualified, you will need to have unique content. Now, to have unique content, you cannot just come and copy and paste this PLR are article that a lot of people are already using on their website, so it's not unique. So you won't be qualified in order to have the commissions, the AdSense account approved, because this content is not unique. Now you can use article spinner to spin the article. I'm going to give you a link below to an article spinner. You can use this, but this is not what I recommend, because if you use an article spinner, then most of the time the article that you will get from this article spinner won't be readable article. So what I'm going to teach you is a unique method where you will have unique content. Okay, instead of just copy and paste this into your blog, I'm going to translate this article. Okay, I'm going to translate it. So this way you will have a complete unique article, because now, for example, we can take Spanish as the translation. So basically Google is pretty good at translating content. Even if you don't speak the language, this way you are 100% sure that this article will be unique, because nobody's using this method right now, and there's a ton of articles. There are thousands and hundreds of thousands of articles. So basically you will have infinite quantity of unique article on your website. All you have to do is to go on translate.google.com, you go on Killer PLR, you copy and paste this on your new blog, okay, and you will have a blog on another language. It's not in English, but it doesn't matter. What you want is to have money. So basically those articles will be unique, and then more article you have on your website, more ranking you will have on Google, because your website, your blog will have a lot of relevant article. And I will suggest you to stick with one niche. So if you have a blog, just create one around one niche. So basically your ranking will go way faster, because you will have a ton of article related to the same niche. If you take a lot of different, for example, finance, acne, weight loss onto the same blog, then it will be harder for you to rank, because your article will be around too many topics. So stick with one topic and add as much as article that you can. So there's thousands of them. So this is only one article. You can go and you see there's pages and pages and pages of article that you can use this method. So you copy and paste this article into Google, select the language, and Google AdSense is giving money for any language that you have on your website, because any countries are advertising on Google. So don't worry about the ad, they will display on your Blogger account, because Google is advertising for French, English, Spanish, any language that you have right there. Google will be able to advertise in this language. But basically you can use the top languages. You have you can use English if you use article spinner. You can use Spanish if you just copy and paste, just I'm showing you. French, you can use Portuguese, Russian. You have a ton of languages that you can translate this article. Now, once you have 30 pieces of content, you can submit your blog to Blogger to your AdSense account, and then you will start having these ad displays on your website, just like this one. So every time people clicks on these ads, you will be having a commission. So now, as I promised, if you stick till the end, I'm going to show you how you can have this on autopilot. But this method to have this on autopilot will require you to have your own website. You won't be able to do it on blogger.com because you will need a WordPress plugin. And if you have a hosting account, I'm going to give you a link below if you want to have a hosting account. You will need a domain name. And once you have your website, you install WordPress. And then what you want to do is to go on AUTOPILOT.com. They have a plugin called Scrapes. Okay, this is the name of the plugin. This plugin is absolutely fantastic. This plugin is going to go on the website that you specify, and it's going to scrape all the articles. And here's the best part: language translation. It will automatically translate the scraped content, and it will publish it on your WordPress blog. So now it also has the content spinner. It will also spin your article automatically for you. If you want to stick with English, it will do it for you. And if you want to do the method I'm telling you, then you can just specify the source language and the outsource the final language. So if the content is in English, so source, you will just select English, and then the result will be in the selected language, for example, Spanish. So this will go on this. Now all you have to do is to specify on this plugin this page, for example, and it will go on each article one by one. It will translate the content, and it will publish it on your website automatically without you to do nothing else than set up the process only once. So you will have hundreds, if not thousands, of articles automatically published for you, and you can do this for multiple websites. This is what I'm currently doing. I've bought a ton of scrape license. This is not fake. I've paid for all these scrape licenses, so just to prove to you that I'm currently using this method. So if you want to buy it, it's only $19. I guess it's 50% off right now. Okay, so it's $19 instead of $38. Okay, you can do a lot more with this scrape plugin. It's not only the article that it can spin and translate for you. You have also a lot of things that you can do. Scrape YouTube, Envato, AliExpress, Flickr, Facebook, Amazon products. You can do a lot of stuff with this plugin, but the method I'm showing you today is only to get unique content on your website in order to be approved by AdSense. But if you want to take time to take a look at what it can do for you, other than that, you are more than welcome. So if you comment below the name of the tool I'm using, and just comment if you have learned something today, I would really appreciate it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to give away stuff like that, just like this license. I'm telling you, I'm going to give you a lifetime license for Scrape. So I'm going to choose someone in the comment below. So I hope you like this video. Until next time, just take action, because this method is currently used by no one except than me, maybe some other people, but they don't teach it. So all people are always teaching you stuff that are not working anymore. This time, this is what I'm currently using. So don't waste time and go ahead and use that method and start doing awesome money with AdSense. Have an awesome day and thanks for watching.